So guys, on this video, I want to talk about how you can make money with this website which is called Pinterest. So if you watch this video from the beginning to the end, you are going to make from $100 to $500 every single week if you pay attention to what I'm going to show you on this video. On this tutorial, we are going to talk about how you can make money with affiliate marketing with Pinterest. So the first thing you need to do when you land on Pinterest is to create your own account. What you just need to do is to click on sign up, and you are going to enter your first name and fill up all your information. And it's simple, it's not complicated. Once you fill up all those your information, you can convert your Pinterest account into a business account, which is very simple to do. And once you are done with that, the next thing we need to do is to go and look at what is trending on Pinterest. That is one thing that I want you to focus on. This tutorial is very fast. I want you to write everything down or rewatch the video again so that you understand what I am saying on this tutorial. If we go to Pinterest trend, so once you need to go to Google, search for Pinterest trend or trending Pinterest. Any one of the word you search is going to open up, and you're going to find the first link, which will be this one here, which will be this one here. You just need to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to open up this page that you can see on the screen here. What you need to do is to log in with your own account, and here you are going to type in, let's also want to set t-shirt on that our Pinterest account. You can just come here and type in t-shirts. So once you type in t-shirt, you can see t-shirt design, t-shirt cutting ideas, t-shirt outfits, and so on and so on. You will see a lot of other t-shirt refashion, t-shirt dress outfits. So you can see a lot of things here. I'll just click on t-shirt, but before you click on it, once you have typed in here, you need to select the country that you really want to target. Which of the country you really want to target on this particular research that we are trying to do. We need to click on here and enter the preferable country where we know that we need to focus on. We need to come here, select the country, which I have selected US and with the United States. And all you just need to do is to click on enter from your computer. And once you click on the t-shirt, it's going to open up and it's going to show you what is happening to this keyword that people are searching for on Pinterest website. You can see during 1 week ago, you can see the trending of this keyword, which is t-shirt. You can see that it's going up and down. Everything is just going up and down. If it's something that you find that is trending and people are really looking for, you can just go and create a pin about that and publish it, add your own affiliate link, which is what I'm going to show you in a few seconds. And if I click on here now, you can click in the last 3 months. And in last 3 months, this is how the keyword, which is t-shirt, is trending. And if we scroll down here, you can see the other keyword that people are really searching for: graphic t-shirts, graphic sweet shirts, Roblox t-shirts, and graphic tees. The age graph, these are the age graphics here. All you just need to do is to look at the age range of the people that is searching for this type of search keyword on Pinterest. You can see the age are from 18 to 24, 25 to 18 to 24 is 42%, which you can see here. And 30% is 25 to 31, and 15% is 35 to 44, 5% to 45, 49, and 5% again to 50 to 54, 5% again 55 to 62, and 5% is 65 plus. So which is what you can see here. Unspecified is 11%, which they don't really know the type of people that is searching for it. And male are 15%, female are 69%, which this is to tell you that Pinterest is that platform that women like using. So what you can do is to make sure you focus on the women dress. That is one thing that I am recommending to anyone that want to go into this affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So now that we know the type of keyword that you can search for, let us see. If you want to go into how to make money, you can just come here and search for how to make money, and if you see here how to make money from home, if you click on that, you are going to see it's going to pop up here, and we are going to remove t-shirts and leave how to make money from home. And if you scroll down here, you can see the range of amount of people that is searching for this particular keyword. You can see 29 is 18 to 24, and 37 is 25 to 34, and 23 is 35 to 44, and it keeps on going and so on and so on. As you can see, most of the people that search for this type of particular keyword on Pinterest is female, which is something that I'm saying again. Women are the people that are using Pinterest most of the time, and those are the example of the things that you are going to be using to drive traffic to that your affiliate link. You can see the way they write out their pin on Pinterest. You need to make sure that your word is bold and is visible for people to see what you are saying on that your pin, so that they can click on it and look at the pin that you have just created. So that is kind of idea of how you can do your keyword research on Pinterest and how you can use it to make money with this affiliate program. Now that you know how you can get your idea keyword niche, let us go now and find the affiliate program that we want to promote. So the first website that I'm recommending for you to use is this website, which is called ShareAssay, and the website link will be in the description below. If you want, you can check it out. So once you come to ShareAssay, click on link here and click on get a link banner. So once you click on get a link banner here, what it's going to do is that it's going to show you the link of the website that you have joined that you want to start promoting, or you can like apply to website that you know that you have in mind that you want to promote. So if you want to apply to any website, click on Manshards here with this area where you say Manshard, and click on search for Manshards and click on it. So it's going to open up. So once it open up here, you can see a lot of things that you can find here. You can search by categories here. If you want to go into accessories, which is like bracelets, necklace, watches, you can go into that. If you want to go into like clothes, which is what we are talking about on this video, which is something that I want to show you. If you want to go into home and garden, you can do a lot of all those things. But the one we are focusing on is clothing. I will click on clothing here, and it's going to open up. It's going to show us like clothing brand that we can work with. You can see this one here, which is called Nest. All we just need to do is to join the Nest affiliate program. You can see the amount of money that they are going to pay you. They are going to pay you 10% of any sale that you bring to them, and this company here is going to pay you 8% from any sale you bring to them. When you scroll down here too, you can see other websites and other brands that you can go and promote, which are into clothing, and join their affiliate program, and they are going to approve you instantly. Most of the clothing brand on ShareAssay, they approve you instantly for you to start promoting their product or service. You can see they are going to pay you from 15% to 12%, 10%, 10%, 7%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. So it keeps on going and so on and so on. That is one thing that I like about this strategy. And let us also want to promote this Kiona brand. All we just need to do is to click on join program, and it's going to pop up a page. Here you are going to enter a brief description about why you want to promote their product. If you want, you can enter the information here, click on it that you have agreed to the terms and conditions, and click on join this program. And once you click on join this program, it's going to show you that it's pending, and it's going to let you know that they have approved you or they are going to decline you instantly. Why did they decline me instantly? Because I'm supposed to leave a little information to them, like explain more in details to them. Then they are going to tell me if I am qualified for this program or not. So I will close this page. Let us say on this one too, if I click on it and it's going to open up, it's going to clicking on redirect. So it's redirecting us to this page here. So what we can do here now is to look at what is going on their website if we want to. And if we are okay with everything that we are seeing here, we need to click on the area where it said join, and it's going to open up this page just like we did. Make sure you enter a brief information about why you plan to promote them and where you plan to promote them, and Yeah, so once you are done with all these whole things, you click on join this program. Make sure you click on you accept the terms and condition, and you click on join this program, and it's going to be showing pending. And once they approve you, then you are good to go to start promoting this website, which is called Nest Design. That is one of the way that you can use to start making money by promoting affiliate program on all those websites. Let us say you have they have approved you. You are going to find your link on the area where it said link. When you click on link at the top here, it's going to say get a link banner. Get a link / banner, which you can get a link or a banner. If you have a website, then you can use banner, but if you don't have a website, it's better you use link. So once I click on this website, let us say I click on this website, which is called Modely, and I click on get link. So it's going to open a Modely page here, and it's going to show me a template. Like if I want to use a HTML code, like if I want to post this as a banner on my website, or I want a direct link, which is this one here, I can click on this link. So I have copied the link now, and all I need to do now is to go and shorten this link with bit.ly and go and publish this website on my Pinterest account. All I need to do is to make sure I publish one post every single day, or 2 or 3 posts every single day on Pinterest. I am going to make money with it at the end of the day. So I will click here now, and I will enter my URL. One thing I like doing is that I like opening the official website. So once I open the official website like this, all I just need to do is to scroll down and look at a particular product that I feel like I like. Then I just need to click on it and copy the URL. Once you copy the URL here, let us say we want to promote this one here. Once it opens like this, copy the URL like this. So once you copy this URL, download this image, go and create a pin. Go and create a pin on Canva. So you can create a pin on this particular t-shirt on Canva. Download the image, come here and search for pin. And let me click on Canva template because it's using my own template. I want to use a Canva template. And I click on pin. So it's going to now show us a Canva template that Canva have currently here. You can see all those are templates, or you can create from blank. All you just need to do is to go download this image, put it on this your template that you are trying, this Pinterest image that you're trying to create on Canva, which is the pin. Once you have that, go and publish it on your Pinterest account. So once you publish it on your Pinterest account, you insert your affiliate link on the area where it says you should add link. Make sure you shorten your link before you add your affiliate link so that they will not ban you. I don't want you to just go and publish your affiliate link directly. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. And another way that you can use to find a good affiliate product that you can promote is to use Temu. Once I click on Temu here, you are going to see Temu affiliate program. Temu is going to pay you 10 to 30% commission from anyone that you refer to them. Let us say you send your link to anyone and they purchase product from this website, which is called Temu. You are going to earn 10 to 30% commission for anyone that you refer to Temu website that make any purchases. And there's a lot of goodies and baggies that is coming with Temu affiliate program once you start making money with their own affiliate program. So that is one thing that I want to let you know. But there's one thing that I want to show you here on this website, which is called ShareASale. You know that we opened this website, which is called Modely here. So we have opened this website, copy the URL here. You can copy the URL here and go back to ShareASale. So come to this area and click on the area where it said get a link / banner. So once you click on it, it's going to open up this link here. So once it opens, once you are approved by that company, like this company that have approved me, which is called Modely, once you copy this product that you like from Modely website, come to this place again, click on the area where it said custom link to. So once you click on custom link to here, paste in that URL. to shorten the URL and click on create. It's going to give you a short URL. You can click on skip and you click on create link, and it's going to give you your own link. You are going to find your affiliate link here. So all you just need to do here now is to copy your custom URL, which is now this one. So if I copy this URL now and I open a new page, I'm going to open the link, paste, and click on enter. It's going to open that t-shirt. So you are going to see what is going to happen. Voila. So this is it. You can see now that you have opened the t-shirt. This is how you can shorten your link if you don't want to use Bitly to do your link shortener. So I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video, a way on how you can make money with affiliate program.